Can a small cruiser still give you that big bike smile? I didn't think so, until I rode this. Hey everyone, welcome back to Bike World. Today I've been riding the 2026 Honda Rebel 300, and I'll be honest, it reminded me why simple bikes can be the most fun. Right now, a lot of bikes are packed with tech and complexity, but this one keeps things easy, friendly, and focused on the ride. And that really matters, especially if you just want to enjoy the road without overthinking it. Engine and performance. This is a 300cc class bike, and on the road, it feels smooth and calm. The throttle response is predictable, not twitchy, and the power comes in a clean, friendly way. In the city, it's a joy. Light, easy to handle, and stress-free in traffic. On the highway, it's not trying to be a speed monster, but it cruises comfortably and feels stable enough to just relax and enjoy the ride. The sound is simple and honest, nothing loud or fake, just a nice, clean cruiser tone. Design and road presence. In real life, the Rebel looks cool without trying too hard. The low stance, clean lines, and modern touches give it a strong street presence. The paint looks classy, the lights look sharp, and people definitely notice it, especially because it looks approachable, not intimidating. Riding comfort and experience. The seat is comfortable, the riding position feels natural, and your body stays relaxed. After a longer ride, you don't feel tired or sore, and that's a big win for a daily rider. Technology and features. The display is clear and easy to read, and the safety features work quietly in the background. Nothing flashy, but everything feels useful in real riding. Pros and cons. The biggest plus is how easy and confidence-inspiring it is. The downside? If you want strong top-end punch, this isn't that kind of bike. It's more about enjoying the journey. Who this bike is for? This is perfect for beginners, daily commuters, or anyone who wants a simple, stress-free cruiser. Is it worth the money? If you want a bike that's friendly, fun, and easy to live with every day, yes, I'd recommend it. If you liked this review, hit like, subscribe to Bike World, and tell me in the comments, would you ride the Rebel 300 or would you go bigger? Let's talk.